Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to turn on plus light on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is slide on screen from top to bottom. And okay, here you can see the plus light. Okay, you'll have to do to turn on the plus light is tap the flashlight icon, and you can see the plus light is on. And okay guys, to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do is tap the flashlight. And that's it. We have successfully turned on the flashlight on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.